G'day, Sea-Dog here. Welcome to my channel for high school drilling students.
Okay, so I've got my 5 different chains of 3 links here, and I'm just going to use a separate one just to connect them all together actually in one long chain. So I've opened a couple of these up, so I'm just going to open him up, put him through here. I'm just going to pop that one through like that, him on there, same as we sort of did before, close that up. Oops. Nice. So got that one done. Next two. Always check both profiles, so this profile and that profile. Happy with that. One more to go, and that's going to connect that together. That's going to be long enough for me, that chain there. So that's let's measure it. So we've got, it stays a similar length once it's twisted. We've got 80. I might even have to cut a one or two off that, but that's going to be a really good length for us to work with. So that's 5 lots of 3, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 links in that length there, 2 mil, wrapped around a 4.2 mil mandrel. 19 of them will get you pretty much 80 mil. Okay, so we're ready then to solder the points on these unsoldered ones. Okay, so we've got our full chain ready to just solder these last 4 links, set up the same way on a little titanium hook, and so we're just going to solder that together. Same system, got my flux already set up on there, gentle flame, and that's going to stop, the hook's going to stop it soldering to all the other links. So I've got my solder just off picture, right on fairly close to the end of the hook here, and some heat into the whole link, and then at the top mainly boom, 3 to go. Now I've got a bit much flux on there, so it's a bit hard to get off. So, I don't know if you noticed then, if the solder goes to one side, you can actually use your pick while it's molten to push it to where you want it to go. Cool little strategy for you. And that's all our soldering. That's all our soldering actually done. So I'll take my little titanium hook off. All of those 19 links now are beautifully joined together. And we're ready for our next stage, which is the exciting part, and that's actually twisting it so it sits flat. Thanks for listening.